Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your and your person's energies towards each other, what they are thinking about you, what they're thinking about the relationship, and what is the probable outcome of the situation at present. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Let's see Aquarius energies. Aquarius and Aquarius person energies towards each other. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. 10th till 16th of January 2022. What's going on with my Aquarius and their person? Okay, so this is the overall outcome. Let's see. Okay, so how do they see you? They see you as the Page of Cups. They see you as a person who is really intimidated with the idea of love. They really feel somewhere that, yeah, you really like them. You really want to give. You are the person who sends messages to them, and they know that they understand the way you are trying to be too much into them, but at the same time 8 of Swords energy is here, so they really feel somewhere that that you are hiding your feelings. They know that somewhere you want to talk to them a lot, you have really strong feelings for them, but when it comes to talking about more about the relationship and more about entering into the situation, they feel that you are not letting your heart out in this thing and you are trying to hide your feelings. Okay, so you are not clear with your words, but you really like them. They know that you like them. How you see them is a Magician. Let's see more energy. Okay, so we got two cards. We have the Six of Cups and the King of Pentacles. You see them as a very stable and a very, there could be an age gap between both of you, and you see them as a very mature and stable person. This could be a past person as well. Somewhere you are wanting to reconcile, and that is the reason you both have started talking to each other again, and now you are really afraid how to tell your feelings to them, and that is why they are feeling that they're really making a step forward, I feel, because you see them as a mature person. You see them as somebody who is trying to connect with you. So in your case, actually, Aquarius, it feels like you both are somewhere trying to talk to each other, wanting the same things, but at the same time not telling each other what you both are feeling. What are their intentions towards the relationship, how they see the relationship. The Ace of Wands, they really want to give it one more try. If this is an old relationship, if this is a new relationship, definitely they want to enter into a relationship with you. With the Six of Wands, they really feel that you are the one. They really admire you. How you see the relationship with the Temperance energy, you feel that this relationship has no ending, and so that's why you do not want to enter into this relationship. With the Eight of Wands, although your energies are really high when you meet them, when you talk to them, but when it comes to the relationship, you do not want to enter into one, because you feel somewhere that this thing will never end up into something big, something committed, something permanent, and that's why you're getting afraid. You're being afraid of this relationship. The obstacles from there, what do they feel the obstacles are? The Emperors. They feel this Emperor can be a father figure. It could be your father or your person's father, but could be a male figure, could be somebody in the family, could be some person. But this person is more like a dominating person, so that is why we always say a father figure when we see Emperor. So yeah, this is kind of an obstacle for your person, so that's why they feel that you are not able to tell, or your father will not, there could be caste issues, there could be some other issues, and that's why they feel that you are not coming up very, in a very blunt way, in a very sharp way. You're not coming towards them. What else do we have? The Emperor, 10 of Swords. Yeah, it could be a betrayal in the past. If this is this is an ex you are dealing with, and this is a person who has betrayed you, and again they are wanting to come back to you, but they really feel the obstacle is that betrayal which happened in the past, and that's why people have become rude when it comes to you and them. So the people with whom you are friends with, the mutual friends, so they are towards you more, okay, and that's why they are very cold to your person. They feel that he or she has done wrong to you, and that's why they do not want this thing to go further. So this is an obstacle. What's the obstacle from your end with the 6 of Swords? With the Knight of Swords. I think that they have left you, Aquarius. They betrayed and they left, and they could have gone aggressive and could have gone really bad to you, and that's why, you know, I feel that this is that obstacle energy which is coming in your part. That was the obstacle for you, and that is the reason you are really afraid to go back to them, to go back and talk to them about your feelings. Although you both are talking to each other again as friends, but still there is that fearing energy towards each other which is not letting you go towards them anymore. Let's see. Knight of Cups. What's up with the Knight of Cups? Their action towards the situation. Knight of Cups with the 2 of Cups. They are definitely going to come to you, and they are going to propose you even. I'm seeing a proposal. Yes, Aquarius, I am seeing a proposal because they feel that you are their twin flame and soulmate, and they do not want to let you go again. Whosoever this person is, they know that there are so many obstacles. They know they have done wrong. They know that there is a dominating parent involved, but they are not letting go of you. And what's your actions towards the situation? 5 of Wands. You are discussing this with a lot of people, and that's why your mind is getting manipulated, Aquarius. 10 of Cups. But at the end, I really feel that you are also going to accept their love offer. Because they are not saying no. They really want to come to you. You also want to go to them, but it could have gone wrong if you really listen to other people's mindsets, what they are thinking. Just forget about everyone. What do you feel? Go with the flow. The probable outcome is a 9 of Wands. Let me see what else do we have with the 9 of Wands. Hangman and 8 of Pentacles. It will take a little time. It's not going to happen within a week or a month. It might take a little more of, more of blocking each other than just hanging around, just, one person waiting for the other to message and the other person waiting for the other to message. So this will take a little long, but there is that you are really working on this relationship. You both are trying, and at least they are trying their level best. Okay, Aquarius, I see that happening. Could be dealing with another air sign, or an Aries, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Yeah, water sign or air sign. All right, so that is all from my side, and I hope that helps. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.